So in this video, I'm going to answer some of the questions that you have been asking me about the market in FIFA Mobile, how to make coins and all that. So make sure to like and subscribe if you are excited for it. So right now we've got the UCL event, but we also had Team of the Week Ronaldo, of course. That's the question a lot of people have been asking me. Team of the Week Ronaldo is about the same price as it was when I told you to buy him. And there is no big problem with that, because a lot of people were trying to buy him because they thought he was gonna go up, but he's still gonna go up. At least in my opinion, he's still gonna go up. I don't know why he's not showing up right here with Team of the Week. He is 105 overall. So let's go ahead and search for Ronaldo, and he's probably gonna come up like that. Yep, 105 overall Ronaldo. I think he's still gonna go up. When I told you to invest in him, he's about the same price, and there are not a lot of people trying to buy these cards right now. So if you still got a couple of Ronaldos in your team, as you can see, he dipped a little bit to like under 8 mil, 7.5 mil, and he still went up to whatever he was before when I told you to buy him. So I think he's still gonna continue to grow. He's still gonna go higher and higher, and eventually in a month or so he's gonna reach like at least 11-12 million coins, if not more. So I think this you don't need to worry about Team of the Week Ronaldo. Just don't think about it right now, and in the future he's gonna go up. You will see in a month or so that he's gonna be a lot more than he is right now. The same thing that happened with older version of Team of the Week Ronaldo as well. He went up a little bit later on, but as I said, I think this Team of the Week Ronaldo is gonna go up. Now about the Lantern event as well. We have the Lantern event, which is a story event. I don't know if it's still here. It is still here, and I have already opened one of the packs as well. I think I packed who was it? 106 overall, I think. Who did I pack? I don't remember. I think it was either Benacer or Baku. I can actually check it out. Let me go ahead and open this free pack first, and then we're gonna check that out. Yeah, some of you have been asking me about Lantern Festival, if you should invest in these cards or no. I wouldn't invest in them right now. I don't think it's worth it. They're gonna continue to drop because the event is still here, and people are still some people are still packing some of these cards. Let me go into Lantern, and let me actually go into my teams, see who I packed. Yeah, I packed 107 overall Baku. He's 2.1 million coins right now. These Lantern Festival cards might increase a bit, but I don't think they're gonna increase that much. You can't make that much profit with this. So as I said, I wouldn't really buy any of these cards. Kante is there as well, 109 overall. He's 9 million coins. They might, as I said, they might increase just a little bit, but it's not worth it to invest in them. I think you can make your coins a lot better ways than that. I think Team of the Week Ronaldo is definitely a better choice as well. But with Lantern Festival, nope, I don't think it's worth it. And with the UCL cards as well, you should not buy any UCL cards right now. All of these cards are gonna continue to drop. 109 overall, Mbappe, Benzema, Messi, Donnarumma. Every single one of these cards are gonna continue to drop. Even the road to the final cards, which are Ederson, Goretzka, and the lower overall cards gonna drop even more as well. So don't buy any of the UCL cards, even if you need them for the exchanges. Wait until you get your free untradeable cards from the events, and then you can go and put those cards in the exchanges. I don't think it's worth it to buy any UCL card right now. If you want to go and open like 110 overall, 111 overall, icon pack, UCL pack, maybe if you want to waste some of your coins, because it's definitely most likely gonna be a waste, then you can do it, but I don't think it's worth it. Still, right now the best way to make coins in FIFA Mobile is just go ahead and grind UCL event right now. Go ahead and get as many players as you can and put those untradeable players into these exchanges, because the players that you can get from these exchanges are all tradable, so you can go ahead and sell all of them. For example, Mane for 9 mil, Sterling for 12 mil, there is Trapp, Robertson. You can go ahead and sell any of these cards. If you go enough 106s, 107s, you should have opened a couple of these exchange packs already. If you've been playing this game, if you've been playing this event, UCL event, and if you got some of the untradeable players from the event, which you should have got, you could have opened a couple of 103 pluses as well. I can go and do one of these right now as well. I just need to take out Golini from my team, or just buy one UCL card. That's not gonna be that big of a problem for me. As I said, I wouldn't buy any of the cards, but for the video, I'm gonna buy some of these cards. Boyata is 300,000 coins, so no, I'm not gonna sell him. I'm gonna purchase one of them. And let me go ahead and open that pack then. And as I said, you can go ahead and get these cards very easily, right? You can go ahead and get these cards very easily from the event, these untradeable team UCL cards, and put them in the exchanges. Still the best way to make coins. Let me go ahead and show you. For example, you got these 8 untradeable 101, 102 overall cards. You can go ahead and put all of them in the exchange and get 103 plus. If you're unlucky, you're gonna get 103. If you are lucky, you're gonna get 105 or something like that. I go unlucky here, I go 103 overall, but I can go ahead and sell him, of course. But if you don't want to sell him and if you want to put him in 106 plus overall exchange, that's also fine as well. 103 overalls aren't really worth that much. So you can go ahead and save those 103s and put them into this exchange and get 106 plus overalls. These are gonna sell for more coins. And if you still don't like that, then you can go ahead and put those 106s into 108 overalls, and so on and so on. I still think these UCL exchanges are the best way to go with that. So no, I don't think you should buy any of the UCL cards right now. Not for investment anyways, not for investment. They're not gonna go up. They're gonna continue to drop even more and more, because other 109 overall cards, other than UCLs, are quite low. As we go ahead and check them out. Team of the tournament cards, there is either Militao for 6 mil, 9 mil for Otamendi. So all these cards are gonna drop as well. And team of the tournament cards, if you are trying to buy some of these team of the tournament card, not team of the tournament, team of the year, honorable mentions and stuff like that, they might increase as well a little bit, but I don't think they're gonna increase that much. I don't think it's worth it to go ahead and buy these for investments as well. If you've got some of them in your team, you can save them for a little bit. They might go up $1 million or so. Bam. Other than that, I don't think it's good to invest in them. They're not gonna go up that much. At least in the near future. In far future, they're probably gonna increase, but in a month or so, I don't think they're gonna increase that much. But Team of the Week Ronaldo, though, I think is the best one that you can invest right now. Other than that, I wouldn't invest in any of the cards. I would just play UCL event, go ahead and grind that, get a lot of untradeable cards, and put them into these exchanges and get tradable cards who are worth some coins. Now, let me know down in the comment section how you're getting on in the UCL event. Do you like the event? Obviously, every day all you need to do is just watch an ad every single 12 hours, claim this UCL daily reward, and that's pretty much it, right? You don't need to play any skill games or matches, because you can't go and wait until the next milestone, or if you haven't completed this milestone yet, this week's milestone, you can go on and play it and complete the championship. That's all you need to do. And there is obviously challenge mode as well, but in the event every single day, you just need to play. You just need to spend like 5-10 minutes of your time for this event. Not that much, which is not great. It's not really that engaging anymore, but we can't really do much about that. In the store though, did I open and some of those free packs from UCL? I guess I did, right? Yep, I did already, so I don't need to open those anymore. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of the video, guys, for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I don't want to forget to open to get those training transfer items. Not this one. I'm not gonna spend gems anymore. I'm gonna spend leaks. There we go, leaks. I'm gonna spend this to get 300 extra training transfer items. Why not? I'm not spending my league tokens or anything else, so I might as well just do it. But yeah, as I said, this is gonna be the end of the video for today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and peace.